Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into an interesting problem that can arise when compiling code for a 32-bit system. So, the problem we're looking at involves shifting bits in C code and the discrepancy between what the C compiler allows and what the MISRA rule specifies. It's quite fascinating how these rules and standards can sometimes clash, isn't it? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The MISRA Rule 12.2 aims to protect against variations in platform integer size, which is a crucial consideration. While on a typical 32-bit system, shifting an unsigned char left by 24 bits might not result in overflow. On platforms with 16-bit ints, this operation could lead to undefined behavior. MISRA chooses to prioritize consistency over leniency to ensure code safety across different platforms. In conclusion, it's essential to understand the nuances of C standards and MISRA rules when working with bit shifting operations. While the C compiler may allow certain promotions and operations, MISRA rules serve a broader purpose of ensuring code reliability and portability. I hope you found this discussion insightful and helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding jokes you might have. Happy coding, and until next time.